आज रात 2:30 को यूएसए के B-2 स्टेल्थ बॉम्बर्स आते हैं और बॉम्बिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं 3 ईरानियन न्यूक्लियर फैसिलिटीज़ पर, जो कि हैं फरदाव, नातान्स और इस्फहान। ये कोई सरप्राइज अटैक तो नहीं है। वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्रेडिक्टेड दीज स्ट्राइक्स ऑन दिस यूट्यूब चैनल। ट्रम्प कॉल्ड दीज अटैक्स स्पेक्टेकुलर मिलिट्री सक्सेस। अच्छी बात यह है कि नो रेडियो एक्टिव लीकेज हैज़ ऑकर्ड बाय दीज स्ट्राइक्स। According to my speculations, these nuclear facilities were evacuated long ago, as there was an emerging threat of attacks from United States and its allies. So now USA has entered this war officially. So what will be the consequences and aftermath for the United States? The biggest possibility and the most probable possibility is that Iran will not directly engage in this war with USA. हाँ, ईरान यूएसए को डायरेक्टली एंगेज नहीं करेगा, रादर ईरान अटैक्स इंटेंसिफाई करेगा ऑन इजराइल। ईरान ने तो इनफैक्ट मिसाइल्स भी लॉन्च किए ऑन नॉर्दर्न एंड सेंट्रल इसराइल ऑन अर्ली दिस मॉर्निंग आफ्टर द यूएस बॉम्बर्स लेफ्ट द ईरानियन एयर स्पेस। Now the most probable response of Iran will be intensified missile attacks, drone attacks, probably proxies will get activated. But Trump also has warned Iran against any kind of retaliation. Magar with this act of Trump attacking on Iran, all congressmen are not happy. And Trump is facing a backlash. Trump आया ही इसी स्लोगन पे था कि he will stop all kind of wars in Middle East and any part of the region of globe, and he portrayed himself as a peacemaker in presidential elections. He also wants a Nobel Peace Prize to be nominated for. ईरान भी गिव अप नहीं करने वाला है. This is the biggest test of regime, and the strategic depth of Iran is very much. Iran does not seem to give up with these kind of attacks. By attacking Iran, USA has proved the Zionist lobby controls major decisions of America. These acts are not only profitable for American common people but for the profit of Netanyahu. In fact, Netanyahu attacked Iran after a day when a no confidence motion vote was brought against him in parliament. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres ने इन strikes को dangerously escalatory बोला, which no one cares about. Another reason ये भी है कि ईरान डायरेक्टली अटैक्स नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज कुछ रिपोर्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंग यूएस ऑफिशियल्स ने ईरानियन डिप्लोमेट्स को बोला है थ्रू बैक चैनल और एनी other kind of diplomacy that they are not aiming for any regime change, just halting the nuclear program. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for future updates.